y'all, I missed you guys. What's going on? I'm back here with a video for you to show you my latest protective style that I've had. I kept this in for about 2 weeks, so I wanted to show you all a couple of styles that you could wear with this bob, and also stay towards the end so you can see the install. This hairstyle was done at XpressYourKinks here in Atlanta, and Tony is the hairstylist that installed this hair for me. She is Tony Naturals on Instagram. You can go check her Instagram out. You can go to XpressYourKinks and check them out on Instagram and YouTube. So here where we're showing the technique is where, of course, she's using the crochet needle. So instead of using hair to crochet through my cornrows, she's using yarn, which I thought was very, 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 very smart. Because using the synthetic hair to me, it makes me think like it's tugging on my hair some, and it's just too thick to go through your cornrows, especially when your cornrows are this thin. So to use the yarn, I think that's the smartest technique ever, and never even thought about it. And it doesn't make it that heavy, and you can make it as thick and as thin as you want them to, as you want your actual faux locks to fall. So here also she's wrapping around, and what I love about this is when you're wrapping the yarn, or even if it's the hair, probably you do not feel the tugging on your hair like you did with the individual, or the twisting as you're wrapping the hair. So with this technique, I think it's amazing. It was very lightweight, a very fun hairstyle, very quick and simple process to take down, the easiest process ever to take down. I thought I did it myself. I didn't even have to have anybody to help me. I'm quite sure if somebody helped me, it would have been down in 10 minutes. This install took about 6 hours to do, and that's including the cornrows and the wrapping. Now the wrapping, I don't care what, there's no process that's going to speed that up any faster, but it did cut down on the install time if you were to do individual faux locks. Yeah, so these are amazing, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, and head on over to XpressYourKinks. They have a YouTube channel as well, so go check them out and see what they got going on over there. Thanks for watching, you guys. Miss you, love you, and there's more to come. Talk to you soon.